A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. You did know say if you stitch on new cloth on old clothes, it goodly way tear away. And if you put in new wine in a old wine bottle, the wine will goodly bust up the bottle. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, then go ahead and just take care of that right away. And the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 2 from verse 18 to verse 22. Now, John the Baptist follower them and the Pharisee them did a keep away from food. Some people come to Jesus and ask him, say, what make John follower them and the Pharisee them a keep away from food and few follower them nah do that? Jesus answer them say, you think say the people them where the bridegroom invite him wedding fi keep away from food when amongst them? When the bridegroom amongst them can't keep away from food. But the time a go come when the bridegroom a go get take away from them. That time then we keep away from food. Nobody no use piece of new cloth to patch up old clothes. If them do that, when them wash the clothes, the new cloth a go tear away from the old one and left one bigger hole than where they did it before. Nobody not throw new wine in a old wine bottle. If them do that, the wine a go bust up the bottle. The bottle a go mash up and the wine a go waste. What people do, I put new wine in a new wine bottle. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.